Okay guys, another day. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're gonna have linguine with cream of broccoli, and we're gonna add a special ingredient that we love at Borti pasta, which is the guanciale. We're gonna put crispy guanciale on top. Let's go. Okay, so the ingredients today: linguine, of course, some fresh broccoli, guanciale, fresh guanciale from Italy, Parmigiano Reggiano, fresh raw almonds, and some garlic, already peeled, clean, extra virgin olive oil, salt and pepper, of course. Let's go. We're gonna clean some broccoli, and we're gonna put our broccoli in some salty water. All right, so we're gonna salt the water. We're gonna put the broccoli inside. We're gonna blanch them for a few minutes until soft, and then we're gonna remove them and we're gonna blend them with the Parmigiano Reggiano and some almonds. So our broccoli is ready. Put it on a bowl, and we're gonna use this water to cook our pasta. We're gonna grab our Parmigiano and we're gonna grate it. Okay, this should be okay. Put our broccoli inside here, inside our blender, our food processor. We're gonna add our Parmigiano, extra virgin olive oil, a little bit of salt, put one garlic and some of the almonds. So we're gonna add a little bit of cooking water. Our broccoli pesto is ready. Voila! Et voila, look how pesto, beautiful. Okay, now we're ready for our guanciale, the king, beautiful, the guanciale. We're gonna clean the guanciale, we're gonna slice few pieces, clean up all this pepper. And make sure you remove the skin, this part. This is our guanciale, should be enough for one person. And we're gonna put it inside the pan. Okay, it's gonna cook on his own fat. Smells so good. So our guanciale is ready. We're gonna leave this on the side and we're gonna cook the pasta. Okay, you remember our water with the broccoli that we cooked before? Now we're gonna put the linguine, okay? 1, 2, 3, boom. And we're gonna let it cook for about 10 minutes. So our pasta is ready. So I'm gonna remove the pasta and put it in a little bowl or whatever you wanna put it. Just to put it on the side. Keep a little bit of cooking water for you. Our pesto. Some of our cooking water. Some extra virgin olive oil. This pasta is just good as it is. Now we're gonna add the guanciale just to make it a little different. There we go, look. All right, now let's plate our pasta. Here. Grate some Parmigiano Reggiano on top. Finish it off with some extra virgin olive oil, some black pepper, and the magic touch, the guanciale. And this is our beautiful linguine with a cream of broccoli and crispy guanciale on top. I can't wait to eat this pasta. This pasta is so good. I don't know what to eat first. The guanciale, I'm gonna try to eat everything at the same time. This is like a 3 Michelin star pasta. Amazing.